Good day for Chinese mainland stocks. The benchmark Shanghai Composite Index has been repeatedly refreshing its multi-year high. On Tuesday alone, the index jumped by 4.3%, closing at nearly 2,900 points, and that hit a record high over the past 43 months. And the Shenzhen Component Index saw a similar increase rate and reached over 10,000 points with a turnover of over 370 billion yuan. Around 90 stocks have reached their daily limits, and stocks of brokerage, insurance, coal, bank and pharmaceutical industry have all shown good performance. Well, along with the bullish performance of the Chinese mainland stock market, investors feel there is more money running into the pool. But what are the main sources of this capital? Let's take a look.
In this time of winter, many Chinese investors think they are seeking a spring in the mainland stock market, and they don't want to miss out on the opportunity. Official data shows that more than 233,000 new accounts opened in China's A-share market last week. In fact, in each of the past 6 weeks, the number of new accounts topped 200,000 each week.
The increased capital is much more from individual investors. There are a lot of people waiting to open new accounts in stock exchange companies.
The trading volume in the mainland stock market on Wednesday surpassed 900 billion yuan, or $146 billion. About one-third contributed by new investors. Xu says the recent interest rate cuts moved some capital from bank deposits into the stock market.
The stock market is an important choice for people to invest. After the interest rates cut, the earnings of some wealth management products in banks will decrease. Then the stock market will become more attractive to investors, especially bank and property sectors.
While more new accounts opened in the stock market, more capital also moved in from such sectors as real estate, bonds and gold. The net capital transfer to the banks and securities sector reached more than 172 billion yuan last week. It was the fourth weekly net transfer in a row. Zhang Meiyuan, CCTV.
Is harvesting organs from executed prisoners for transplantations starting from January the 1st next year, and that's according to China's Organ Donation Committee. China previously said it would phase out the practice sometime in early 2015. According to Hua Jiefu, the head of China's Organ Donation Committee, in China, about 65% of all organ donations are from the deceased, of whom 90% are executed prisoners. And the country recently started a voluntary organ donation program, but there is a lot of reluctance among the public. Huang says this is largely because of traditional thinking and concerns as to whether organ donation can be fair, just and transparent.